Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I have been waiting for this mail with so much anticipation. I'm hoping that I'm happy with it. I purchased this from Etsy, from the store which is called J9 Scraps. And because I've looked and looked and looked everywhere, like I've said to people, and the postage when you buy something is not a very, it's very expensive. But the lady, said to me, well, she was going to, you can add what you can till it gets to a certain weight. She doesn't charge you for every single item that you got. And this is 0.427 kgs, and it cost me $20 for delivery, but that's okay because I've got a fair bit of stuff in here, I hope. So here I go. I told her that I'd open it on here. Her name is, Jeanette. Oh dear, I'm so sorry. I will find out, and I will definitely get it right. And I'll definitely put the description for the shop into the description box, so you can go along and have a look and see what she has to buy. She's got lots of goodies, lots of bits and pieces. Oh dear me, I hope I didn't cut anything, because I'm not going to be one bit happy if I did. I hope not. Okay, so things that I haven't been able to buy in Australia. Look, bags. I can, but very expensive, and I don't know. I hope I've got an invoice in here. If I've got an invoice, I can show you that. Oh no, I don't. I don't think I do. I can't see something. Can't see anything. Righto. I know all these items altogether cost me $30, or about $30, and then I paid for the postage. Okay, so I got these bags. Look at them. I do like them. I have been on YouTube for 5 years, and I've got a few different things that people have sent me, but oh, this is nice and a good quality too. It is. That's really good bags. Wow. Oh, goody. That's cool. Exciting. This is exciting. So I've got 2 packets of those. I think there's 10 in each one. There's 10 in each lot. So that's, I'm sure there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so that's good. That's those ones. Because these are all to do with putting in your journals, of course. Oh boy. And I got these tickets that are time cards. And you've got, oh, that's good, isn't it? They're big. I think they're a bit bigger than what I expected them to be, but that doesn't matter because that'll fit in your page, or you could do something with it, cut it in half. I don't care. It is awesome. I love it. I don't have to worry about printing it off, and making, and I'll take it. I don't want to pinch anybody else's, so I'll do that. And these, look, I've got some alteration ones. I think there's 10 in each packet of these ones here. Alteration ones. I've got 2 packets of these. So they're really cool. You've got that little bit on the bottom that you can tear off. You can coffee dye these, or you can leave them like they are, or tea dye them. But I'm thinking about leaving them or just putting in. Anyway, we'll talk about that later. I'll do that later. Look at that. And there's another packet with those. I got these layaway ones. There's 2 packets of these for the lay-bys, and there's 10 in each one of those. Okay, I got some guest checks, and I think there's 10 in this. Oh, here's a lady. Her name's Jeannie. Her name is Jeannie. Isn't it? Get this out of here. Come on. He doesn't want to give it back to me. She got good bags. Jeannie Bernard, and this is her Etsy store. If you can see that there, and so if I put that up there, that'll be always on the video for you to look at and go to if you want to look out for any of those things. And these are the guest checks, and these are, I'll try and get them out. Look at that. See? Put in your journals. Oh, cool. Oh, I'm excited. It's just so good to have these things, you know, because I have got some bits that I did with paper, like on paper ones that I have, but these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and I got these tickets. They're all yellow, but that's okay. I don't mind, even though I was making tickets the other day. These are, I think there's a fair few, and I think there's 50 tickets in this. I think that's what I bought. And then I got some glassine bags, and I really like these glassine bags. I just love the look of them. And I think over the time I've had a few, but not many. And I go to the shop here in the town and ask to have a see if they've got any glassine bags, and they just show me those ordinary lolly bags, you know. This is real. This is a real thing. So I'm really excited about this, and hopefully, you know, everybody else will be too. I'm excited about this. So when you think about it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 things, like 11 parcels, and it cost me $30, so it works out about, each packet of these were around about $2 to $3 each, okay? $3, you know, and that's not bad. That is not much money for these sort of things, so I am so pleased with these. Thank you so much, Jenny, for sending these to me. I hope I'm saying your name properly. I was starting to get a little bit worried, you know. But anyway, look at this lady's. She has drawn little birdies flying across here. Look at that. Aren't they awesome? Because she wrote my name and she's drawn these dear little birds. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Oh, thank you so much for that, Jean. And I really appreciate you doing that for me. And I had a bit of a upset where I paid for it with the full price of the postage, which was, you know, like everything costs so much each for postage, and she was really kind and put that money straight back into my account straight away that I overpaid, and I really appreciate that. Very, very nice lady, and it took me, I'm not saying her because it was me, talking to her with on a email for over an hour, you know, and she stuck with me, you know, and sorted it out for me, and I really am so grateful, Jenny, for you doing that. I really appreciate that. I've never I don't think I've ever bought anything off Etsy, only those PDF files, you know, so I've never actually got anything, and I'm really, really pleased with all this stuff, and I really appreciate you sending that to me, and I hope everybody likes these goodies, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.